I use the Milwaukee rear-handled circ saw to cut everything that I frame with. I really like it. It's more powerful than a corded saw.
It's a more powerful tool.
We cut 4x4s, 2x4s, 4x6, plywood. The Milwaukee rear-handled circ saw is amazing with power, and we'll cut through anything with speed. No slowing down of the saw.
Especially on ripping engineered lumber, it goes right through it. It doesn't bog down. Just cutting through, the faster the better.
I think we get the job done faster because of it. With the Milwaukee 12.0 battery, it lasts me hours throughout the day.
We cut a lot. We do get about 500 to 600 cuts per battery charge. The battery will work on all the tools. It's super convenient.
I rarely have to change that battery.
Somebody's already dropped your circ saw. It was about 15 feet, it took a fall, and it's still working fine.
It is durable. Definitely holds up.
The hook's amazing. You can just hook it on anything right next to you.
With the brake, it's much easier to stop and then move on to the next piece.
The Milwaukee rear handle circ saw is meant for professionals. It's not a toy, and it will get the job done.